Oh my gosh. They've just warned each other. Those two over there started honking when I came along. They've just told them that there's someone coming. You can tell, I'm sorry I've not got anything. Oh my god, that's so cute. Hello. 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 I'm sorry. Oh my god, they're so cute. See how these ones are coming along? Look at this. Looking to see we got babies because they're so cute. They sound like they're arguing. Ah. What are they going on about? Like, nah, this one's useless. No food. Aw, that is so cute. I want to see what's down here. I'll come back up on that area, I know that much, but I want to see if they've trimmed it this time. It was overgrown last time I came. This bit's a little bit overgrown, but still, as long as there's no webs. I don't like webs in my face.